Look at that. Look at that eyeball. Ooh, girl. Ooh, look at that. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back again to talk about some makeup. So today we're going to be talking about something that I think you guys may have seen already, but this is a newer, smaller version of it. This is the Paint Pro palette by GLAMLITE. So we're going to be talking about this palette today, guys. I actually did pick this up, and I know she came out with a mini version, so I feel like I needed to snag it up. So before I get all the way into it, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get into it. I believe I got it for $23.60. I think it originally was, I want to say it was 30 something. If you guys know the Paint Pro palette before, it was a big mega one. They had a black, they had a few other colors, a full pretty much rainbow. This palette is a lot of percentage of different colors, y'all. So I actually do like that they made it smaller, because that's the reason why, guys, I did not grab the big one, because I said the birthday cake, the ice cream dream, the burger palette, the original one, those are so mega. So I was like, I don't really want to grab another mega palette. Like, where am I going to fit it in my little organizer? Where am I going to fit it, you know? So when she came out with this palette, I said, yeah, I'm doing that, because it's so much smaller. I said I have to try it. This Pro Paint palette, PPP, it's a lot of P's in this one. I really do like. I think it's very cute. So let's see. She has a little film on top, like a little tray, which I think is really cute, because you actually probably can do some mixing on top of this tray a little bit. It's like a hard little plastic. So let's read the back, shall we? So it says on the back, has GLAMLITE, it has everything she's talking about, and let me break it down. From the original creators of the world's first iconic paint palette, GLAMLITE is here to revolutionize the makeup industry yet again. Get ready to push the limits of creativity and innovation of a new array of colors. Paint Pro features 18 ultra vibrant shades inspired by physical paint colors. Cute. They have eyeshadows and they have pressed pigments. It looks like a couple, like half and half. Just look at this, y'all. Look at this array. It's beautiful. It's so pretty. I really do like it. The packaging got me already, because I really do love different paint little palettes. I like things like this, because when I was younger, I used to draw and paint and all of that more than I didn't know I was going to turn into a makeup artist. It's kind of bringing it back from when I was younger, that I always try to draw and paint stuff. And then I loved art class. I was an art bug. I don't mind the material of this palette. I think it's really cute. The packaging is very cute. It's not so sturdy. I wonder if the bigger one's a little more sturdy, but this one, it's okay. It's okay. If you guys want to get this look with this palette, just stay tuned. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'm gonna get back into this palette. This palette, like I said, it has 18 colors, and I'm gonna actually tell you my favorite shades, if you probably can't already tell, because this eye look is bomb. My favorite is gonna be Titanium White, Cadmium Yellow. I like that one a lot. Dark Velvet, she's pretty. And then I love the Tangerine. So like I said, this is a very much, you know, just mini rainbow kind of palette. Look at that. Now, one thing that's cool about this one right here, this Titanium White, it's really cool because whatever color you mix on your brush with that white, that's what I got underneath here, guys. See, underneath my eyes is green. That's what I got underneath that. I was trying to make it white too, but it turned green. That's kind of cute. I'm gonna keep that. So the top is more of the yellow with the white. Now, one thing I have to talk about is these shimmers. So all of these right in that center, all the shimmers, these are wet and soft, and they feel so good. When I was swatching them, I pushed my finger too hard into them. I didn't know they were that smooth. These are gorgeous. Like, I gotta swatch again. I was obsessed with the shimmers. One little touch, and I was like, these are beautiful. Like, look at these. So when you're swatching it with your fingers or your brush, be careful because you can really dent into them. The mattes are pretty. They do perform. Not surprised they perform nice. The only thing that I realized though is with that yellow tray, that one right there, the only thing I realized with that is, as you guys can see, I did use my Morphe base on the back of it. And because I tried it at first without my white base, and the yellow didn't pop up on my skin tone concealer. So I was like, I don't like that. But the shimmer and the green and all that, even the orange did, because the orange is still back there, but it's on my skin tone concealer. So I'm just kind of like, well, why the yellow not? I'm very picky, if you guys don't know on this channel, about yellows and mustard, Dijon mustard kind of browns. And if it can't show up on me, because I'm more yellow, but if it does pop out over my skin, it's a pretty good yellow. But if I use my Morphe base, I feel like it's so-so. Because like if you see at the bottom, see the orange? Orange. Bow, stuck underneath my eye, stays. And my powder is it's like banana brown. So if it's not mixing and dissolving away with that, that means that's a powerful color. But I know that yellow, that cadmium yellow, that one was really pretty even without the white base. I know I put it on top of the Morphe base, but I really probably didn't need to. That shimmers are popping. They're really nice. Purples, they gave me a lot of purples in this palette. I like that a lot. If I got the big one, I probably would have been more overwhelmed and been like, okay, I got another rainbow or mega rainbow. I think out the two, even though I've never tried the big one, out the two, I would still probably go with this one because it's just smaller and I feel like it pretty much gives you the rainbow enough. I think a lot of us are getting rainbow palettes. Just a lot of rainbow palettes, and I feel like once you got one, you got them all, you know? But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you enjoy me reviewing it and the swatches and everything. Thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to leave a comment below. Tell me which palette you would prefer, the big paint palette, or would you like the pro paint palette, the little mini one? Let me know in the comments below. I still say I like the mini one, the pro one, it's cuter. But also don't forget to hit the notification button below so you can see whenever I pop up with these videos and etc. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.